Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick update about guaranteedleads.io. And this is a guaranteedleads.io review where I'm going to talk about how you can get unlimited amount of targeted leads for your business. And we all know that we need leads in order for us to start building commissions and actually building our business. If you have a business and you don't have leads, you don't have traffic, you're not going to be able to stay afloat and make the money that you want to make in order for your business to grow. So I picked up guaranteedleads.io because I wanted to see what it was all about. And I am so impressed with not only the sales page, but the back office, the things that they recommend, and what they're giving you to help you to start generating leads on a consistent basis. So, as you can see in my thumbnail, yes, I was able to generate over $2 million since I started getting traffic for my business. And opportunities like guaranteed leads has helped me to build my business from home, leave my 9 to 5, and be able to do this full time, allowing me to do things that I wouldn't be able to do if I was still working a job. So I wanted to show you these results, not to boast, but to show you what's possible, because I wouldn't have thought back in 2016 I would be able to be at home with my children in living the life that I live, being able to travel and do the things that I like to do because of the online space. Okay. So, guaranteed leads. I remember when I was trying to build my email list and trying to get people to take a look at my opportunities. I didn't know what I was doing. I wasn't yet on YouTube, and I just wanted to get my information in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And I was able to do that by basically tapping into free traffic sources where people were looking for the information and the opportunities that I was promoting. And that's the thing, targeted leads, meaning that the people who are looking at your business is interested in what you have to offer because they want to work from home. They want to become an affiliate. They want an opportunity to promote, or maybe the person already has a business and they're looking for a way to generate more leads. Now, if that's the case, you can use guaranteedleads.io to send to people so that they can get more traffic for their business, because that is one of the things that people struggle with the most, getting traffic so that they can convert um, potential buyers into clients. Okay. A lot of people, they have people looking at their opportunity, but they're not able to convert them. And what we want to do is we want to have the resources and the tools that allow us to generate leads and cash flow on a consistent basis. Now, that's the thing. Sometimes you might have $100 coming here, 75 coming here, a little bit at a time. But what you want to do is you want to pick up the traffic so that you can get these leads and sales coming to you on a more consistent basis. So right below this video is the information for guaranteed leads. This is the sales page that's going to basically let you know what you're going to receive when you decide to join this opportunity. So you have targeted leads, right? High quality leads from different traffic sources that they recommend. You don't need to use all of them. They have free methods and also paid methods. You can combine both of them, or if you want, you can start off with just the free traffic. And then as you have sales coming in, you can then upgrade to getting paid traffic. Okay. Now, there's different ways that you can connect with your leads. They have the voicemail option, they have email marketing, and they have the text SMS. I recommend going with the one that you feel most comfortable with. I love email marketing. I have built up a list of over 100,000 emails that allows me to send people information on a consistent basis about the things that I do and what I highly recommend for those people who are a part of my email list. And then they have the direct cash flow where you can accept Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or you can use a third-party payment processor like Stripe or Authorize.net. You will be able to connect these payment sources to your back office. And when people decide to become a part of Guaranteed Leads, they will be paying you directly through one of these methods, or again, you can use authorized.net or Stripe. Okay. You're going to be able to receive $75 in instant payments for each person that decide to join this system. Okay. This is a done for you. Basically 95% of it is done for you. They have all of the videos laid out that shows you how to set up the system and how to use the different traffic sources that are available. All you have to do is pick the one that you want and you can run with it. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have to pay one time to get in. This is not a monthly payment. They're going to have a resource hub where you're going to be able to go in and get set up and get everything that you need in order to get started. You're working with some of the top leaders who have made tons of money in this industry that are going to give you all of the information that you need in order to be successful. Now, it's going to be up to you to go in and set yourself up for success. Basically setting up your back office, watching the videos, and making sure that you're doing everything that you need to do in order to be successful. So it's a one-time $125 payment. And once you pay that, the person that you sign up with is going to go into their back office and basically mark you as paid. And this is basically what the dashboard look like. So in your back office, you're going to have all of this information here. You want to go through each one step by step. And then they have a ton of videos that you can watch. And they're short overviews that's just giving you the training on setting up. You can pause and play as you go and take it one day at a time to set up what you need to do in order for you to get the system up and rolling. Down here, they have the welcome video. This right now has nothing, the promo code video, there's nothing there, but it will be updated at a later date. They have the picks and shovels video, which is just some other opportunities. If you decide that you want to promote other opportunities to these leads, you're going to get that information there. Now, this is optional and you don't have to do this. You can skip this one if you already have other opportunities that you want to promote, or if you decide you just want to promote Guaranteed Leads, you don't need this. And then they have the system setup video. You're going to be able to see all of your contacts. Not only that, if you have an opportunity, you can put that information right here. And when you pull it up, it's going to bring up the recommended business opportunity from the person who brought you into this business. Okay. They have your primary capture page. This is the one that I chose for myself. They have other options in the back office. You can choose the ones that you want. You don't have to go with this one, but they do have other options and you can just change it and make that one your primary if you decide you don't want to go with this one. And then here you have your sales page. And the sales pages have a really great video that explains exactly how the system works, what you're going to get out of being a member of Guaranteed Leads, and how to use the system. So if you want to watch that video, right below this video that you're watching now is a description area. And in that description area is the link for you to actually watch this video and get more information. So here, if you have questions, you can submit a ticket. They do have people who are available to answer your questions if you have any. And this is just it's a really clean layout, and you're not going to be confused about what to do and how to get started once you are a member. It's very straightforward, black and white, ready for you to start earning with the system. So again, I recommend this because we all need leads again. And I think that this will have all of the tools, but not only that, the income streams that you need and the traffic sources in order for you to be successful. You just have to be consistent. Once you get started, stick with this for as long as you can before you move on to something else. Get the most out of it. And then you can start to also use this traffic for other opportunities in the future that you decide to become a part of. So I just wanted to give a review about this. I'm so excited about this opportunity, and I look forward to connecting with a lot of people and just educating them on the income streams and traffic sources that I highly recommend. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great night.